What's going on, guys? You're tuning back into Sir Gora Show. Today on iPhone Tipsy, I'm going to show you tips and tricks on your Apple iPhone on iMessage. iMessage, there's a lot of things you can do there, effects, and it's more entertaining than WhatsApp. But mostly people use iMessage because it's very convenient for Apple users, so you should try it out. So okay, without further ado, before we start the video, please guys, I need your help to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram on Sergora Show and my business Instagram, Mini Borough Market. I sell all original stuff in Mini Borough Market, guys. Please look into it. Right now, I'm using the effects of my MacBook Air because I'm gonna keep it more entertaining for you guys. Okay guys, let's start the video now. Okay, first thing you gotta open your iMessage. Okay, I'm gonna use my chat with Princess Cat Matthias. Nama dia tak ada princess, tapi I guess that's the latest contact that I saved. I'm gonna press it now. So now we're in the chat. I'm gonna type something. Hello there. And I'm gonna press and hold the enter button. And yes, it will show a lot of effects, including loud, gentle. So I'm gonna pick loud. There you go, it's like shouting hello there. Or you can choose another effect. I come from space, press and hold and go to screen. See, there's a lot of effects, so you gotta swipe left for more choices. Whoop whoop, birthday. Oh, that's a heart. Yeah, I think this is from space. Makes you all spaced out. You can even feel the vibration and the effect from the phone when you use the effects. Okay, this is for the ones that love to type long sentences. So when you already type ayat panjang and you wanna go back, you just press your space bar and hold, and you can stop and let go the space bar. Ho ho ho, let's go! After editing the words that you want to send, you can still move it around the cursor and then send it away. This is for the ones that loves to multitask, so tap and hold on the globe icon and tap on the left keyboard. And now you can type with your left hand only. So if you want to type on the right hand, press the right side of the keyboard. So now you can multitask easier, but do not text and drive, okay guys? Do not do that. Focus when you're driving. Use two fingers to tap and hold, and you can select multiple messages. If you only tap and hold only using one finger, you can only get this. To let your close friends know whether you have read their messages, click on the profile and info, and then turn on the send read receipts. To easily find for your smileys or any emoticons that you like, you have to tap and hold at the bottom of the smileys where there's so many icons down there. Korang kena tap and hold, and then korang boleh maneuver left and right by swiping it. Alright guys, bonus iMessage tips and tricks. Okay, icon-icon ni semua korang boleh manage properly tau. Korang kena arrange ikut suka hati korang lah, your favorites. So right now, my favorites is YouTube. So right now I can find for any videos that I want to send to Princess Cat over here, and then aku boleh tukar to my favorite, see? And you guys can even change the icons whether they want to appear dekat bar tu ke tak. So press more, and then you can even see delete or add on. So pick your favorites lah. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Oh, wait. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes. I'm gonna bake. Make sure it's, yeah, okay, there you go, fireworks. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope that you can find a lot of more interesting stuff on iMessage. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much to Katerina, Matthias, for providing the chat for me to like perform all this tutorial and the tips and tricks, because it's gonna get annoying for her to keep on receiving notifications. So I told her to keep it off before it all started. So yeah, but thank you so much. Here's a shout out to Katerina Matthias. Follow her on Instagram. And guys, thank you guys for watching. Please support me, and like always, press the subscribe button and click like. Click it like. I can't take me seriously with this face, man. Click it like.